Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this DOOGEE. Firstly, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now select Allow, click on Allow again and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this left one. Now name your recording however you wish to and tap on OK. Then click on this right button with 3 lines to access list of all recordings. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just tap on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to choose Edit at the top right corner, click on your recording and select Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!